Do you recognize that blade design? That is a karambit, a particularly unique curved blade that looks a little bit like a claw or talon. And its small size make it a particularly popular blade. This one is going to be extra special, being cast out of 24 karat gold. The 3D printed original attached to a wax tree and base that's then surrounded. That whole mold to be filled with plaster. The air needs to be sucked out of it, and the original, that plastic and wax original mold, baked out, leaving an empty space for this gold to fill up. It needs to be melted down, and for that, an electric oven used here. Closed, and while that melts, time to check on the original. That is red hot and ready to be poured in. There it goes, and just look at that incredible green flame. You can see it's still red on the end. Now to fill up a bucket with some water, preferably cold, and drop that plaster mold in. It'll dissolve, leaving behind, hopefully, a successful gold cast of that karambit shape. A little more washing, and it emerges, and looking good. It definitely needs to be cleaned up, but all the details seem to be there. That excess rod not cut away at first, as it's handy to position in the vise while the rest of it is worked on. The small rotary tool and a small file doing a lot of the initial work, cleaning up some spaces and grooves. That blade's going to need work too if it's going to cut anything. Carefully cleaned up until it truly shines. Typically a karambit, more of a weapon. This definitely a decorative piece. And what a stunning piece it is, especially after being buffed. Time to weigh it out now. A solid, easy to grip, solid gold blade. Another awesome project from PressTube, a 24 karat karambit.